A ground guide was hit by an excavator. The worker was directing an excavator into a garage. The excavator moved forward, running over the guide's legs with its tracks and hitting him with the bucket. This shows why ground personnel must maintain visual contact with the operator and stay in a safe, visible position. A worker on a truck touched an overhead power line. Take a look. The worker on the truck bed raised a long metal pole. It made contact with overhead power lines, causing a severe electrical shock that threw him to the ground. This highlights the critical need to always look up and maintain a safe distance from power lines. This man was cutting a tree when an object fell from a crane. Watch closely. A man was on top of a tree using a saw to cut branches when a crane suddenly appeared nearby. Without warning, a long object, possibly the crane's lift or its content, fell on him, causing him to lose his grip. Always maintain clear coordination between ground and aerial operations to prevent overlapping work zones and fatal accidents. A forklift rolled away and caused a collision. Workers noticed a forklift rolling unattended, likely because the parking brake was not set. They tried to stop it but failed, and it hit a parked car. This shows why always setting the brake and chocking wheels on an incline are essential safety habits. A worker faced a dangerous situation during a loading operation. Take a look. The forklift operator lifted a load of tires too high while attempting to stack them. This caused the load to become unstable and fall onto a man standing nearby. This highlights why the load must be kept low and the area clear of pedestrians. This woman was pushing a load on a flatbed trolley when it became unstable and fell. A woman was transporting several stacked items on a wheeled flatboard trolley. As she tried to pull it, the load became unstable and toppled over. Avoid overloading trolleys and secure items properly before moving to prevent tipping or collapse. This man was working on a factory machine when it grabbed him. Take a look. While on his routine task on a large machine, this worker accidentally places his hand on a rolling component and was pulled into the machine. Other co-workers rushed to assist him. This video highlights the importance of proper staff training before they are allowed to handle large machines, and the importance of following safety precautions when working around large machines. This man experienced a bad fall from a rooftop. The worker was constructing a wooden roof when a falling piece of lumber knocked his ladder away. This caused him to fall from a significant height. This shows why securing ladders and using proper fall protection systems are non-negotiable for any work at height. This man tried to offload cattle when it kicked, startling him. Take a look. A truck used for transporting cattle had just arrived, and a worker lowered the back ramp to release the cow. As the gate came down, the cow suddenly kicked out its leg and the man got startled. This highlights the importance to always maintain a safe distance and stay alert when handling unpredictable livestock. A small spark quickly turned into chaos. Workers were carrying out maintenance in an industrial facility when a minor spark led to several bursts of flame across the area. This emphasizes the importance of grounding, proper insulation, and regular equipment checks to prevent electrical hazards in industrial environments. This worker's hand caught in a moving textile machine. Watch closely. In a busy textile plant, a worker was adjusting material on a warper machine when he accidentally placed his hand too close to the moving parts. His hand got caught for a moment before he quickly pulled it free. Never handle or adjust machinery while it's in motion and stop operations completely before making contact. This man became trapped in an escalator mechanism. The man on the escalator reached into a small gap near the ground level. His hand got sucked into the moving parts, dragging him in. This shows why you should never touch the sides or gaps of an escalator and always hold the handrail. A busy vehicle repair shop nearly turned chaotic when two cars collided in the bay. One vehicle was lifted and parked, while another rolled behind it and rammed into the front car, jamming both together. Thankfully, the workers leaped out of harm's way just in time. Always remember the importance of securing vehicles in repair bays and maintaining clear pathways to prevent accidental impacts.